Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, one of my subscriber comments me about disabling his laptop keyboard. For a reason, he's facing some issues, some ghost typing in his keyboard. So now I'm going to show you how you can simply solve this problem, or you can simply turn off your laptop keyboard. If you're facing this same problem, then you can follow me along. Just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then simply go for device manager. If you click on device manager, you can simply find out this option called keyboards. If you click on it, then you're going to find out HID keyboard device. Whichever driver you have, just click on the right mouse button and simply disable it. If you can't find the disable option, you can simply click on uninstall device and you can simply click on uninstall, and then you can simply come over into your start icon and restart your PC and your problem will be solved. If it's not yet, if you didn't find out the problem solving, simply come over device manager another time and then you can simply click on the HID keyboard device and click on the right mouse button and click on update driver. If you click on that, then you can simply click on browse my computer for drivers, click on it and then let me pick option, click on that. And then here you will going to find the option called show compatible hardware. So if you just turn it off, you can get a lot of options over here. So I'm going to select any of incompatible hardware driver. As like I'm going to choose like Acer, I'm going to select it and simply click next. And then you'll get this kind of information and simply click yes. After completing this, just simply click on start icon and restart your PC and your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment me if you're facing issues with your Windows.